Hi friends, welcome to the Learn Triply channel. In the previous module, we have discussed about the Arduino board and its configurations and different types of signals and some of the pin configurations of the Arduino Uno board. Now, in this module, we will be extremely discussing about the programming related to the Arduino Uno board. Like actually, Arduino has developed the hardware board and the software platform known as Arduino IDE. Let's move on to the learning of this about Arduino IDE. Arduino IDE. It is a software platform to program the microcontroller board Arduino Uno. Yeah. In this, we can see the initial line as void setup. This is the basic framework when we open the window of the Arduino IDE. In the next module, we will be extremely discussing about programming using the Arduino IDE software. As of this, we will discuss about the basics that are required to work on this Arduino board. Yeah, initially this is void setup. Like we'll be initialing the different types of pins and their functions like input output in this void setup, and even we set the baud rate in this void setup. In this void loop, the code will be running continuously, and there will be various tools, sketch and file, and we can upload code and compile code everything using this Arduino IDE. Like this is the extreme view of this Arduino IDE after opening the software. Yeah, now we'll moving on to the setup function. The setup function is called once when your program starts. Usually, it is used to initialize pin modes or being serial. It must be included in a program even if there are no statements to run. This is the syntax of the setup mode: void setup, pin mode, pin name, pin, and it is comma output or input semicolon. Like every time once we once we turn on the hardware board, the code in the microcontroller will initially run the setup function. Like initially the function was being run to set up the pin modes and even the serial baud rates and etc. This is complete description about the setup function. That is the basic function that is usually used in this software. Next, we shall look on to the loop. Yeah, after calling the setup function, the loop function does precisely what its name suggests, and the loop consecutively allowing the program to change, respond, and control. This is the syntax of loop. Void loop. Inside the loop function, we write different functions and the different statements that are as up to our wish according to the program that is given to the microcontroller. Yeah, this the setup function will be starting once when the program is started, but the loop function will be repeated multiple times, like it is looped consecutively, like it is continuously looped. Like this loop function will be run continuously from the starting till it reaches ends, and again starts from start and reaches the end, allowing the program to change. Like since it is changing consecutively, the program is changed, and it will be respond and control the associated pins with the microcontroller. This is all about with the loop function, which is a basic function in this software. Next, we move upon to some of the basic functions that are used in this Arduino IDE. Yeah, initially a digital read and the pin. The place where pin is written, we have to replace with the pin number. Digital read. This function is mainly used to read the input as input from the digital signal. Like a digital signal usually consists of 0 and 1 that is discussed in the previous module. Yeah, in this, like when the microcontroller is connected with different sensors, we use this digital read like to read the input into the microcontroller from these sensors, and digital write to write from the microcontroller. We use this digital write, like the pin number and the value that is to be written to that. Like if you want to write, or like for example, if we consider LCD screen, we can write using the digital write function. We can write something onto that using some pin, and this is analog read. Like to read the analog value from a sensor, we can use this function analog read. And analog write is used to write some analog value onto the pin. and the value that is to be written is can be placed here. And coming to the delay, the number of delay will be usually in the milliseconds. The number of milliseconds that the program has to be stopped, like the cursor will be stopped at some particular point, that is the delay. It is the time with which the program will be delayed. Serial dot begin is a function that is used to take the baud rate and make the serial communication at this baud rate. Serial dot print is a function is used to make the serial printing that is done on the that can be done on different like for example, if we consider LCD screen, we can do the serial print, like we can write what has to be printed here. This is about the some of the functions of Arduino IDE. Yeah, please subscribe to this channel and like our video. Next, moving on to some of the sensors. Like in the next tutorial, we shall completely discuss about Arduino IDE. Like we discuss the programming with this software. Before going to that, we shall look on to the pin configuration of some of the sensors. This is ultrasonic sensor. It is known as HCSR04. It contains 4 pins: VCC, trig, echo and the ground. These should be connected to the Arduino Uno board accordingly as shown in the image. Yeah. Next we shall move on to the IR sensor. Yeah, this is the IR sensor. It contains 3 pins: output, ground and VCC. Output is connected to the digital pin to VCR ground and connected to the microcontroller board accordingly. IR sensor is a infrared sensor. This can be used for getting the input value based upon the infrared sensors. Next, these are the two sensors, and we move on to one of the actuator. It is servo motor. Yeah, this is the servo motor. It contains 3 pins: VCC, ground and 1 pin to the digital pin. Yeah, servo motor works based upon the signal that is given to this pin, given to using this data line. Yeah, servo motor functions based upon the inputs given to the microcontroller and according to the program. This completes about the sensors that are to be discussed. In this tutorial we have discussed about the Arduino IDE software and some of the basic functions related to it, and some of the sensors with its pin configurations. In the next module we shall look after the programming with this Arduino IDE. Yeah, thank you. Please subscribe to this channel and like our video. Thank you.